Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader. Max and the Paper Airplanes. Story by Mitkevich. Pictures by Odintsova. Read aloud for you by Little Angel Reader. Max and the Paper Airplanes. This is Max. He is 6 years old. He likes to play with his daddy. One day, Max and Daddy decided to make some paper airplanes. First, they made a plane for Max. Max drew lightning and wrote his name on it. Then they made a plane for Daddy. Max wrote Daddy on it and drew fire. When the planes were ready, Max and Daddy started flying them. They had fun. Suddenly, one plane landed on Mommy's table. She was writing a story. "What is it?" asked Mom. "Daddy and I are playing with paper airplanes. We made them ourselves," answered Max. "Nice! Have fun," said Mom and threw the plane back to Max. Max caught it and came to Daddy. "Daddy, let's make a plane for Mommy," he asked quietly. So they made a plane for Mom. On one wing, Max drew Mommy's face and wrote Mommy. On the other wing, he drew a heart. He brought his new plane to Mom. "Mommy, this plane is for you. Do you like my heart?" asked Max. "I love it, honey," answered Mom. "You are so sweet." She was happy. Max and Daddy continued flying their planes. It was getting late already. Daddy started yawning. Suddenly, Mom heard Max laughing. She turned and saw one of the paper airplanes sticking out of Daddy's mouth. It flew right inside his mouth while he was yawning. How funny! Everyone started laughing. Max's sister, Angie, heard the laughter from her room and came to see what was going on. "Angie, look," said Max, laughing. "My plane landed in Daddy's mouth." She started laughing too. Max whispered in Daddy's ear, "Daddy, let's make one plane for Angie too." So they made a plane for Angie. Max wrote her name and drew her face on it. Now Max had 4 paper airplanes to play with. "Mommy, I can fly my plane into Daddy's nose," Max told Mom. "Oh, no, you won't," said Mom, laughing. "Well, it's time to go to bed now. You can play more tomorrow." Max and the Paper Airplanes. A short story about an unusual landing of one paper airplane. Did you like my story? I hope you did. You can buy this book on Amazon and use it as a reader. You can practice your reading skills with this book. Here is Max and his paper airplane. And here is Max's drawing. Max likes to draw. How about you? Do you like to draw? True or false? Yes or no? Look at the pictures again. Are these sentences true or false? Max likes to play with his uncle. True or false? False. Max likes to play with his daddy. Max is holding a paper airplane in his left hand. True or false? True. Max is holding a paper airplane in his left hand. That's true. Next picture. Max has long hair. True or false? False. Max has short hair. Max doesn't like to play with paper airplanes. True or false? False. Max likes to play with paper airplanes. Next picture. One airplane landed on Mommy's table. True or false? True. One airplane landed on Mommy's table. She was eating an ice cream cone when it happened. True or false? False. She was writing a story when one airplane landed on her table. Look at this picture. This is a paper boat. True or false? False. It's a paper airplane. It's not a boat. There is a heart on one of the wings. True or false? That's true. There is a heart on one of the wings. New picture. Max brought the plane to his sister. True or false? False. Max didn't bring the plane to his sister. He brought the plane to his mommy. Mom is happy. She likes the airplane. True or false? True. Mom is happy. She likes the airplane. Look at this picture. One naughty airplane flew right into Daddy's ear. True or false? False. One naughty airplane flew right into Daddy's mouth. Daddy is lying on the floor. True or false? False. Is Daddy lying on the floor? No, he isn't. He is sitting and he is stretching. He is yawning. Look at this picture. Max has a brother. True or false? False. Max has a sister. And what is her name? Do you remember? Her name is Angie. It's short for Angelina. Everyone is crying. True or false? False. Everyone is laughing. New picture. Max and his daddy are flying airplanes right now. True or false? False. They are not flying airplanes right now. They are talking. Daddy is reading a book. True or false? False. Daddy is not reading a book. He is sitting on the couch and he is listening to Max. Max has 4 paper airplanes now. True or false? That's true. He has 4 paper airplanes now. Max is sitting on the floor. True or false? True. He is sitting on the floor. Here is the last picture. Mom is wearing jeans. True or false? False. What is Mom wearing? She is wearing a dress. Max is singing a song now. True or false? False. He is not singing a song. He is talking to Mom. Good job. Well done. You are so smart. You know what? Books are amazing, and so are you. Thank you for reading with me today.
Boo!
Boo!
Boo! You guys are so smart!
Yes, you are.
If you like my books, and if you like the way I read books aloud, you can thank me here. PayPal, littleangelreader@gmail.com. Thank you. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.